2. Yeah.
How to do seagulls. This is how you do them. You want your hand to be like this, and you want the other hand to be like this. And then you want the wrist to be together. See? And then you're going to go boom. And then we're going to move the wrist going up. And you want your elbows to be stationed or fixed point, as some people may know. So you want to go wrist up, and then you want the wrist to go down. Wrist up and down. Wrist up. Now we're going to go utilize the elbows. Boom, 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 and boom. And so you can see that my wrists are fixed or stationed. They're not moving, only the elbows. Boom, 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 boom. Now let's utilize both of them. So we're going to go wrist, elbows, elbows, wrist, elbows, wrist. Let's do it again. Boom, ka, boom. Boom, ka, boom. Boom, ka, boom. Seagulls. Now I'm going to show you different variations of doing this concept. So, we have done this, right? The basic. Okay? Now let's shift my body. So we got this kind of square, 90-degree angle looking thingy. And so how I did that is, you just want to have your hands placed right like this, and you want to shift your body. You got this kind of like tight angle right here, like this, boom. And so we're going to go wrist first, bing. Let's do it again. Bing, 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 bing. Now let's utilize the elbows. Bing, bing, bing. Bing, bing, bing. Then you can utilize the full body to it too. Go boom, ga, boom, ga, boom, ga, boom, ga, boom. You know, you can shift it. Boom, ga, boom, ga, boom, ga. And then you can transfer too. Boom, ga, boom, boom, ga, boom, ga, you need to hold it too.